notches out now. It's right there.
There we go. Go ahead, Tom. You can still hit it. It's all right.
We'll just make this a whole day project. This is what we started off doing. I was like, we're going to cut this tree down this weekend. What are you going to do? This is what we're going to do. We're getting it done. We're getting there. I mean, we're getting towards the center. You're doing that, you use the sledge. You have two choices. You smack it like this, wedge that in there. Or you take a sledge and smack it all around. Spark that blunt. Yeah, I know. You just hit square. You know what you could do? Like when we get this thing down, roll this over there by your fire pit. You can use it for people to sit on. Big old fucking bench. You know, while it's seasoning, you know. Who's it go to? Who's it go to? It goes to Jeremy after We heard it crack, Joe. We heard it crack. Fun time. I hope I don't fucking. That's good. We gotta try to pull it this way because it's gonna fuck this fence up. Yeah, pull it that way. I can't. The tires are sort of tight. Let's just try to fuck it. You're gonna have to turn it really well.
Oh my. All right.
Touchdown.
Woohoo!